Honestly, Dxy has been a roller coaster this week actually. So I had nothing to say yesterday. That's why I didn't drop my analysis because see the whole it's just ranging throughout. But today let me do my pre-market analysis. So CDXY has been stuck in a range here, probably waiting the news release for Thursday, which is tomorrow. Because FOMC means tomorrow. So what I see here is that price has closed above this bearish candle, and it closed with a gap above the bearish candle. And this line I highlighted here is the main threshold of this bearish order block. So what I'm looking out for is that if price should close above the main threshold of this bearish order block, then my best bet is that it will want to come and take out this high, then trade into this order block again for continuous selling into the draw on liquidity. So my draw on liquidity is still here. It has not changed because I'm seeing that it's way more difficult for price to come and trade above this high, because this is more like a high resistance liquidity run. So it took out this major equal highs here and broke down. So this is a high resistance liquidity run for me, and this is the easier target for price to come in. But the whole rigmaroling around this area is what's annoying. So I'm looking at that. If I'm not going to touch it, I'm just looking to see how price will close today. So if price will close above this main threshold of this bearish order block, then our targets tomorrow to come and close above these highs. Tomorrow is where FOMC. That's when we have the high impact. But then I want price to come and trade above these highs. If it should close beyond this main threshold, though, should come and take out these highs, trade into the other block. Or you might even see it come all the way to these highs. But I'm very certain that if it is, I'm not very certain. My probability is that if it trades above this main threshold, then it should come from these highs before coming all the way down. Then let me look at T-bonds. T-bonds is another. It's just been different. It's still in this weekly PDRA, which is a weekly favorable gap, and this main threshold. It's printed bearishly. I'm still looking at this as a run on stops because this is a bullish order block. So hopefully it will hold and continue the buys for the draw liquidity, which is this highs. Just looking at all these as run on stops, then continue the run for these highs. Let me check the other ones. This 10-year. This 30-year. Same thing, same explanation. This is the weekly fair value gap. So run on stops, bearish order block, then retracements to target the highs. This one has not even traded into the rejection block. Same story here. Same story here. So I'll look out for how price will close today. That's all for Dxy.